Always you see me with Kafu from Kafu Thomas back with our next video, right? We're going to start a new challenge because I know 2020 has been one of those prolific years and thing in the world, you know what I mean? The whole pandemic still. Well, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Like for more. We outside.
Me no have no fake blood. Me no know for sure fake love. Chat behind my back when they see me die. Don't change up, alright. If you never talk to me last year, this year when you see me, keep the same energy. And if you never...
I was like with my partner Chucks. You understand, yeah? Come to this idea how to get a bird in Trinidad. Bird!
Look, up in the air. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a bird.
Bird. So, I'm glad I make it to the end of this video, and today I have something special for you guys. Today, I will have a very good book where I recommend 100%. I think you should check it out. It will be in the description down below. Click the link. Trust me, you need to get this book. This book is called Overnight Millionaire, and we can check it out, right? And it will be right here. Go in the link down below, check it out, click on the link down below and check it out, right guys?